Hello, my dear students. My name is Mr. Khan. I'm really excited to help you learn and grow with confidence. I believe learning should be simple and enjoyable, not stressful. I know the four languages. I have 2 years experience to teach you well that you want. And my lessons, I focus on your goals and learning style, whether you want to improve your skills, prepare from exam, or just feel more confident. I will support you step by step. I'm friendly and also happy to explain the things as many times as you need. My classes are simple and attentive, so you will not only understand the topic but as you know how to use it in real life. Mistakes are welcome here. They are the part of learning. I'm looking forward to meeting you and starting as a learning journey together. Book a lesson with me and let's achieve the goal. So before we start our class here, so I have a 2 years experience that I told you. I can speak Pashto, Dari, Persian, Hindi, and also English that I'm talking right now. And I can understand you in a better way. If you want to learn it, I'll teach you in the simple way with the grammatical. Assalamu alaikum zmanu Mohammed. Dai auza atlas kalani ما زوارم شتاست د پښتو ژبې ادبیات او زه هم پښتو په صحیح توګه تاسو ته در زده کړم.